While many still treat AI as a basic search box, the most effective setups in 2026 operate as interconnected digital ecosystems. By the end of this workflow, you will be able to type a single short sentence and have the AI automatically apply your brand's unique tone, pull data from your private documents, and format the output perfectly. To build this, you need two things: an active premium Claude account and an export of your conversation history from whatever AI tool you used previously. This setup removes the need for daily, manual prompt writing. You build a framework that handles repetitive data entry and formatting for you. We start in the core settings. You will use the Sonnet model for the vast majority of your daily tasks because of its speed, and switch to the Opus model only when you need deep strategic reasoning. While you are here, toggle on the web search feature. Leaving this off is the primary reason the system fails when asked about recent, real-world events. This diagram illustrates the three mandatory components of a working prompt: assign a specific role, provide exact context, and explicitly define the output shape. Unsure of the context? Instruct the AI to ask clarifying questions first, forcing it to fill knowledge gaps. Next, take the conversation archive from your previous AI tool and ask it to summarize everything it knows about your business. Copy that summary and paste it directly into Claude's global memory settings. This summary provides the AI with the specific historical context needed to match your established workflow. It references your past preferences immediately, so you don't have to start every conversation from zero. Now we move beyond standard text responses. When you ask for something substantial, like a calculator or a web page, the Artifacts feature generates functional, interactive digital assets directly in your browser. This interface shows how Artifacts manage raw data. If you drag a CSV of your analytics into the chat, the system analyzes performance trends and builds a visual dashboard like the one on the right. To organize different workflows, you create projects. These are isolated workspaces designed so your YouTube scripting instructions do not contaminate your client email drafts. Inside a new project, upload your permanent reference materials. This is where you store your specific brand guidelines, voice samples, and one-page audience personas. Do not put these specific instructions into your global account memory. Doing so causes the AI to pull the wrong tone for the wrong task, resulting in inconsistent responses across your entire account. Artifacts construct the final output, while projects act as the quality control filter. The workspace ensures every deliverable adheres to your brand constraints without needing to retype the rules. For tasks you repeat often, you will use skills. These act as modular recipes that teach the AI how to execute your specific workflows automatically. This diagram shows progressive disclosure. Describe your ideal output once. The system writes a skill file and automatically slots that exact formatting rule into the pipeline. If ignored, ask when it would use the skill to instantly debug narrow trigger conditions. Next, configure your global custom instructions. Keep this under 200 words, split into 5 sections: who you are, how it should talk to you, your current goals, how you work, and what it should never do. Finally, set up your live connectors. By linking your Google Drive and activating autonomous research mode, the AI can independently pull your living documents and synthesize external citations without waiting for manual uploads. With skills and connectors active, the AI proactively finds reference material and executes tasks without being prompted for every individual step. Now we run the final test inside a workspace that is fully configured with your memory, your files, and your automation rules. We type one brief sentence, asking it to draft a new video about why people get bad results from AI tools. This chart shows the invisible domino effect triggered by that single sentence. The input passes through the global instructions for tone, the connector pulls the positioning document from Google Drive, the project applies the target audience context, and the installed skill enforces the script structure. Look at the difference. On one side, the highly tailored draft produced by our custom pipeline, and on the other, the generic list from a baseline, unconfigured account. The output is precise, perfectly formatted, and fully cited. This ecosystem handles the background work, allowing you to focus on the final deliverable rather than manual prompt engineering.